Hey everyone! Want sanchezae CC in alight motion? Watch the full video to learn how. Simply open alight motion and follow my steps.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gate to open to a new tomorrow.
Once we hit 400 subscribers, I'll share my Lutz pack absolutely free. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.